Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I want to show you how you can launch your very first cold email and LinkedIn campaign on Lemlist. So you will see how to connect your LinkedIn and email accounts, how to find leads with their verified emails, how to import them directly in Lemlist, and finally, how to create and launch your first outreach campaign. So basically, if you follow this process step by step, you will be able to send cold emails and LinkedIn messages. And at the end, I'm sure that it will help you to book sales calls with your ideal customers. Let's start. Alright, so just before we start, if you want to try Lemlist for free, you just need to click the first link in the description and then you will be on this page. I just want to let you know that if you use the link in the description, you might have some extra free credits. So once you've clicked the link in the description, you just need to go here and click on sign up for free, and then you will be able to create your free account. Once you've created your Lemlist account, you will be on this page. And now the first thing we need to do is to connect our email and LinkedIn account. So if you want to do that, you need to go at the bottom left of your screen. You click on your first name and last name. Then you go in settings. And here you go in sending settings. Now on this page, you can connect your email accounts, or if you want, you can connect your LinkedIn account. And here you have phone numbers. So basically you can connect a phone number if you want to do some cold calling. For this tutorial, I will focus on email and LinkedIn, and we will start by connecting our email. So for that, we click here on email. And now here we need to click on connect email address. Now we need to select our email provider. So you have Google, Microsoft, or if you want to connect another provider, you just need to click here on other email provider. For this tutorial, I will use a Google account. So I click here on connect. And now here I need to give the email address I want to use. So let's say this one. Now I click on next. And here I need to enter my password. Then I click on next and continue. So here select what Lemlist can access. So here we just need to check this box and then we click on continue. And now as you can see, my email address is now connected with Lemlist, which is perfect. Now if you want to connect more email accounts, all you need to do is to click here on connect email address and do the same process. Then I recommend you to write a plain text email signature. And why a plain text? It's because you don't want any HTML in your signature. And overall, in all your cold emails, you don't want any HTML because it will hurt your deliverability. So that's why we choose plain text email signature instead of email signature. So I click on it. And here I write my signature. So I like to write my first name and last name, and then the name of my company. So give me leads, and now we click on save. Now that we've connected an email account, it's time to connect a LinkedIn account. So for that, this time we go here on LinkedIn. And now what we need to do is to download the Lemlist Chrome extension. So I click on get the Lemlist extension. And here I click on add to Chrome and then add extension. Once you've installed the Chrome extension, Lemlist will automatically synchronize your LinkedIn account with Lemlist. So as you can see now, I have my LinkedIn account connected, Gregoire David. All right, so at this point, you have your email and LinkedIn account connected to Lemlist. And now it's time to create our first outreach campaign. So for that, we need to go back on Lemlist. And now if you want to create your first campaign, you go here and you click on campaigns. Now on this page, you click on create campaign. And here you have three choices. You can create your campaign using AI, you can create it manually, or you can start with templates. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of AI and I prefer to create my campaign manually. So I will choose create manual campaign. So for this tutorial, what I want to do is to send an email and then one LinkedIn message. So here you see in my sequence that I send an email. And then if I want to add a step, I click here on plus, and then I click on chat message. So now you see in my sequence that I have two steps. So I send one email, then I wait 1 day, but let's modify that by clicking here on the pen. So let's wait 3 days, and then we will send a LinkedIn message. So let's write the email. So for that, I click on my email, and here you see on top that I can select a sender. So basically, it's the email address you want to use to send this email. So in my case, I just have one email account connected to Lemlist, but if you have multiple email accounts connected, you can select them all, for example. So I select this one, and now what I need to do is to write the subject and then an email. So let's say, for example, that I want to promote my SaaS Give Me Leads, and the subject I want to use is this one, leads export with verified emails. And now here I need to write my email. So let's say hi first name, and if you want to use the first name variable, you just need to go here and click on add personalization, and you will be able to select a variable. So in my case, I want to select first name. So let's say, for example, do you use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to build your lead list? And then what I want to add is my signature. So for that, I click here on signature. And here you see that I have my plain text signature, which is perfect. And by the way, if you want to have the best deliverability, don't forget to check this box, plain text, to avoid to have any HTML in your cold emails. Now, if you want to have a preview of your email, you just need to click here on preview. And here you will get a preview from a Google inbox. So you see, hi first name, do you use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to build your lead list? And then I have my signature, which is perfect. If you want to check on phone, you just need to click here. And here you have a preview from a phone. Now let's move on to the LinkedIn message. So I click on it. And here we will use this LinkedIn account to send this message. So this one, Gregoire David. If you are already connected to the lead on LinkedIn, he will get this message. But if you are not connected with the lead, Lemlist will automatically send a connection request, and you can write a note in your connection request here. So you see alternate message if user is not part of your LinkedIn network. So here what we can do for this tutorial is to reuse our email message. So like this, hi first name, do you use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to build your lead list? So once you've created your sequence, you go here and you click on next step. And now the next step is to import leads directly in Lemlist. So for that, we click here on import new leads. And here on top, you have some options. For example, you can import leads from a CSV file. You can import leads from LinkedIn, from a CRM, from some signals, and you have much more options. But what I want to do for this tutorial is to import leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And so for that, we will use CSV imports. All right, so now we need to go on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. It's basically an access to the LinkedIn database with all the filters you need to find decision makers. So let's say, for example, that we want to target people who are head of marketing. So I will use the current job title filter. Then I type head of marketing. Then let's say that you want to target a company headcount between 500 to 1,000 people. And finally, what we want to say is that we want people based in the US. So United States include perfect. And now you see that with this search, so with these three filters, I have a bit more than 700 people. So if we check the results, we have people who are head of marketing, global head of marketing, and so on. So that's perfect. Now, if you want to export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator with the verified emails of your leads, unfortunately, you can't do that natively with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and that's why you need a tool like Give Me Leads to export the leads and find the verified emails of your leads. So if you want to try Give Me Leads for free, you just need to click the first link in the description. You create your account and then you install the Chrome extension, and then you will get a button like this one, Extract Leads. So once you are happy with your search and you want to export these people and get their emails, all you need to do is to click on Extract Leads, and then you will be redirected to your Give Me Leads account. Here you can give the number of people you want to export. So let's say 100 just for this tutorial. Then you can say that you want the emails of these leads. And then you click on Export Leads. And now you just need to wait a few minutes and you will get your export. All right, so as you can see, my export is done. And now if I want to access my list of leads, I just need to click here and I click on Download CSV. So here is my list of 100 leads, so 101, perfect. And on top, you see that we have all the information we need to reach out to these people, like the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL. We have the verified emails of our leads, so that's perfect if you want to send cold emails. We have the job title, location, and actually much more information, like for example, the company name, company website, and so on. So now the next step is to upload this list of leads directly in Lemlist. And so for that, we need to go back on Lemlist. I click here and then I select my list of leads from Give Leads. So I've just uploaded my file. Then I click on continue. And now what we need to do is to map the column headers that we have in our file with the Lemlist variables. So for example, make sure that you have the first name from the list of leads with the first name here. So it's a variable from Lemlist. So first name with first name, perfect. Make sure that you have the LinkedIn URL and of course the emails of your leads. So email with email. And then once you are ready, you just need to click here on continue. Then here you have some options, but I don't recommend you to use them. So we click here on disable all, and then we click on continue. And finally, we just need to click here on import leads. And now you see that we have our list of 100 leads, which is perfect. And now what we need to do is to click on next step. And here on this page, you have a review of all your messages for each lead. So for example, here we have Alexandra. It's hi Alexandra, do you use LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and so on. Once you are happy with your messages, all you need to do is to select all your leads by clicking here, and then you click on launch. And now at this time, if you go here in campaigns, you will see your first outreach campaign running. Now, if you want to edit your campaign, you just need to click on it, and here you go on sequence. Here you can modify your message. And if you want to add some leads to your sequence, you just need to go here in lead list. And now on this page, you click on actions and then import new leads. So this is it for this tutorial on how to set up your Lemlist account. Now, if you want to easily export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator and get the verified emails, you have a link in the description. And now, if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to find B2B leads using LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.